Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go to the previous channel on YouTube TV. So in order to do it, you first need to come on YouTube TV and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Afterwards, you will have to play any video. So here you just have to click on the live section, or you can simply start streaming your favorite movie or TV series. Then you need to choose and play another video, and then you need to long press and hold the OK or the select button on your remote while watching the second video. You will be taken back to the last channel or video that you were watching. Note, this works across all content types, live, DVR and VOD. So you can try this method and check if it is working for you or not. If it isn't working, you can just try this method, in which you just have to simply press and hold the select or the OK button on your remote. Alternatively, if you click down twice when watching, the networks tab will show you your most recently viewed channel to start with. So you can also try this alternative method. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.